Wealthy investors and family offices embrace BTC following bank failures, says Swan Bitcoin executive. In 2023, three of the largest bank failures in the history of the United States occurred. Since then, affluent investors, family offices, and individuals of high net worth have been gravitating towards Bitcoin. Since the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, we've seen a huge uptick. We've always had a slice of family office clients that have used the platform, but ever since SVB, that has massively increased. These people are taking large Bitcoin positions. Swan's managing director further expressed that if any institutional segment is expected to be an early adopter, it's likely to be from family offices due to their greater control over investing in alternative assets. Lupka told Macquarie that Bitcoin exhibited a positive response when the banks faced pressure. The executive mentioned that Swan caters to a diverse range of clients, but specified that the high net worth individuals his firm is generally looking at 10 million on the individual side and as much as 1 billion on the family office side. Lupka said that these investors are concerned about long-term stability in the financial system. He added, they want to own an asset that is outside of that system. Lupka commented to Macquarie that investors and family offices perceive Bitcoin as a means of diversification. He emphasized that when Bitcoin experienced a surge during the bank contagion, it demonstrated its resilience as a hedge. That wouldn't have happened in the same way, I don't think, 5 years ago. I've always stated that the one thing that people aren't thinking of, they think that Bitcoin follows inflation in the stock market. What can decouple Bitcoin from the stock market and all of that? Crisis of the money. And I said this before, we had banking issues. And now we have banking issues, and not just small banks. Credit Suisse is not a small bank, and it's not going to get any smaller. Who's out here buying up all these failing medium-sized banks? JP Morgan. So JP Morgan is taking all these liabilities on his balance sheet. It's only a matter of time before a big name bank goes down. Who cares if you have $100 million in the bank if you can't access it, right? And people who have that kind of money are looking around and saying, damn, I didn't think of that. Well, where can I go? I can't go in treasuries. I can't go in stocks. I can't go in this. I can't go in that. I can't hold in the dollar. I can't put it in cash. Inflation's going to erode it away. And I wouldn't be surprised, and I'm not surprised when Bitcoin does well when the banks are doing bad. Because Bitcoin, it makes you your own central bank. It's your own bank. It's your own settlement. It's your own payment rail. And I think people at the end of the day are starting to move from yield to capital preservation.